In this video, we'll be showing you how to create early bird tickets or products for your event. This is usually used when you want to offer a discount for those purchasing their tickets early. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Events. Then create your event. We have already created an event for this video, but if you need any further guidance on how to do this, please see the link in the description below. Now we're going to add the early bird tickets to our event by selecting Tickets and Products from the Manage menu of the relevant event. Then select Add Product from the Manage menu. Complete all of the information for your discounted ticket, including name, type, and entering the sale start and end date. Please note that these dates will override the dates entered at event level, and that this product will only show for sale in your shop during the dates and times entered here. Enter a price and your stock quantity. I'm also going to enter a maximum purchase quantity. I'm also going to check the boxes to include an event capacity and display quantity sold on my shop page. Then check the Add Product button. Then to create the standard price ticket, select Copy from the Manage menu of the early bird ticket. Then you can click either on the name or select Edit from the Manage menu. Here you can make any necessary changes to these tickets. I'm going to amend the name, and I'm going to amend the sale start and end date, as you will want to start the sale of these tickets after the early bird sale has ended. Then amend the price and stock quantity. Check any required product options checkboxes and select the Update Product button. In your shop page, the tickets will only appear during the sales dates entered. And that's it, you have now successfully added an early bird ticket or product for your event. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up classes to holding a prize draw. Thanks for watching.